IPL is an excitement for the people around the globe. Some batsman scores minimum runs in an over, or some batsman scores the maximum runs in an over. So watch till the end and get to know all the top 10 players who scored maximum runs in an over in the IPL history. Number 10, Hardik Pandya, Mumbai all-rounder, is on the 10th place for most runs in an over. The all-rounder powered the bat against Ashok Dinda as he scored against rising Pune Super Giants with 28 runs. Starting from the first ball, he sent 3 balls out of the fielder's reach and he scored 4 in the 4th ball and 6 in the 5th ball, and Ashok Dinda conceded a wide and Hardik Pandya took a single in the last ball and he scored totally 28 runs in that over. Number 9, Shaun Marsh, left-arm batsman, scored the maximum runs against RCB in 2011 at Dharmasala. Shaun Marsh scored consecutive sixes in the first 2 balls and next 3 fours in the next 3 balls, and in the last ball he sent the ball to 6 against Van der Vaart in that over, and Punjab also won the match by huge run margin against RCB, and Shaun Marsh scored 30 runs in that over. Number 8, Rahul Tewatia. In Dubai, Tewatia turned the game as he scored maximum runs against Sheldon Cottrell, where Tewatia scored 4 sixes in a row and 5th ball was dot and he sent the last ball to 6. The left-hander scored 30 runs against Punjab, which takes the 8th place in the list. Number 7, Virender Sehwag, the fearless opener, is on the 7th place. Sehwag scored 30 runs against Andrew Symonds in the 7th match. In the inaugural edition of IPL, Sehwag smashed first ball to 4 and second to 6, third 4, and he sent the 4th ball to 6 and he scored 4 in the 5th ball and 6 in the final delivery as right-hand batsman scored 30 runs against Deccan Chargers at Hyderabad. Number 6, Chris Gayle. In 2012, the Jamaican batsman scored the most runs in an over against Rahul Sharma as the first ball was played and taken single by Saurabh Tiwari, and later that the universe boss sent all the remaining 5 balls towards the crowd. Number 5, Pat Cummins. In 2021 IPL, everyone witnessed most magical moments and KKR all-rounder smashed 30 runs to CSK's Sam Curran as he started the over with the 2 runs. After the 2, he sent 3 balls to 6 and 4 in the 5th ball and 6 in the last ball against CSK, but sadly they lost the match to CSK. Number 4, Virat Kohli. The RCB captain had a really good IPL in 2016. That year, he created another record with maximum runs in 1 over as he scored 30 runs against wrist spinner Shivil Kaushik in 2016. Kohli started the over with the 6 and 4 in the second ball and 3 consecutive sixes, and he ended the over with the 2 runs as this 30 runs stands on the 4th place in the IPL history. Number 3, Suresh Raina. Mr. IPL scored 33 runs against Parvinder Avana. It was a 2014 second qualifier where the left-hand batsman scored 2 consecutive sixes from the first 2 delivery and 3 consecutive 4s with the no ball, and Suresh Raina sent the free hit ball to 4 and he ended the over by sending the ball to 4 at Mumbai, but sadly that knock ended on a losing side. Number 2, Ravindra Jadeja. CSK all-rounder scored the most runs against RCB in 2021 IPL as the left-hand all-rounder scored hat-trick sixes with a no ball, and Jadeja sent the free hit ball to 6 and he took 2 runs on the 4th ball and he sent the 5th ball to 6 and he ended the over by sending the ball to 4, and Jadeja scored 37 runs against Harshal Patel in the death over, which stands on the 2nd place in the IPL. Number 1, Chris Gayle. Gayle is the only person to score 30 plus runs in an over twice as the left-hand opening batsman scored 37 runs against Prasant Parameswaran. Gayle's storm was heavy in the Bengaluru. He sent the first 2 balls to 6 with a no ball, and Gayle scored 4 from the free hit and he sent the 3rd ball to 4 and Gayle scored 2 consecutive sixes, and Gayle ended the over by scoring 4 runs, and Gayle scored 37 runs against Pune Warriors India. To get all the updates of the stats in Indian cricket, subscribe to our channel.
समझदारी के लिए दिल से शुक्रिया, आएंगे हम